Hi, today I will be writing a sample Java program to show how it works. So first, I'm going to start this program with public class display value, because this is just a sample program I am making. And then for the main section of the program, I will be enclosing it under public, under this area. This is required for Java programs so that the program knows where to start. Okay, so I'm first going to define some variables which will start with its data type, which is an integer, then the name of the variable, and then finally the value it will be assigned to. And all these statements have to end in semicolon. I'm going to make another one named B. And then, so that I can print these values out, I will use system.out.println. The difference between print line and the regular print is that that it wouldn't be printing a new line if I call it again. So I'm going to use print line. And then I will add a part like A, no, that's character. A equals, and by the way, this red things right here, this is called a string. It's basically what is not a number. Then to concatenate or put together the variable value here and this thing, I will be putting a plus sign and then the thing that I will be adding. So let's run this program. It's taking a little while. Yes, that's the sign that it works. Okay, now I'm also going to add to print this other one, system.out.println, and B equals plus B. Okay, so this things, if you remove the ln, for example, this is what will be executed. Wait, I forgot a colon. There, you will see that there's no line between them. However, if I use print ln in these methods, then there, it looks much cleaner. Then I will, what if we want to increment the variables by 1? To do this, I will use plus plus. For decrement, it's minus minus. Plus plus a. And for the other ones down there, it doesn't matter if it's like this or like this. It just matters for the more complicated stuff. So if for our purposes here, I will use it before the variable. Then to see that it works, then I will make another print statement. And then I will run the program. There, you will see that the value of A here has changed by 1. Before it was 100, now it's 101. Okay, so I'll do the same for B. Okay, and then I will run the program. There, B has also been incremented by 1. Okay, so now I want to try out the comparison operators. So, and also the logical operators. So, I will write the 3 new variables. They will be booleans. First, an answer variable. And by the way, the boolean means that it can only be true or false, or 1 or 0. Then I I will write ans1 is A less than B. So this part, if it works right, then the ans1 will be false. No, it will be true. True pala, because system that out the print line is ans1 equals ans1, because A is 100 and B is 200. Therefore, 100 less than 200 true. So it will print ans1 equals true if it's the case. There, ans1 equals true, that because 100 is less than 200. Okay, so I will do something similar to ans2, like is B greater than 10. Then I will print out the result of the operation. Okay, then I'll run the program. And it is also true since 200 is obviously greater than 10. Now, I will also show some of the logical operators. For example, answer equals ans1 and ans2. So, answer will only be true if both ans1 and ans2 are true. So, since both of them are true, as here, then answer will be true. So, system dot out dot print line answer equals plus. And I'm right. Answer equals true. Okay, now I will try it with a different set of conditions. Since this block of code might be similar, I'll just copy paste like here. This time, if B is less than 1,000, for example, and if A is less than B, then it would be true, all of them. However, if I change this to greater than, B, then the ans1 and answer will be false, because A is not greater than B, and the answer is only true when both ans1 and ans2 are true. Therefore, it will be false. Wait, why is my mouse not responding? Okay, and for this last part of the code, then I will write is ans less than 10. This is false since 100 is greater than 10. Then the other one is B, greater than or equal to 200. And then instead of and, we will use or, which is just two of the vertical lines that you see sa keyboard. And execute. This is false. This is true. But this is an or, meaning it only needs either ans1 or ans2 to be true, so that answer will be true. Okay, so, and before I go, I will just note that this thing, it's considered not part of the code itself. It doesn't affect since this is a comment. So it just makes documentation easier. And the opening bracket in the start is not just alone. It needs a closing bracket. For example, this closing bracket right here closes the main function, while this one closes out the entire class. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching this short documentation. I hope it's short, not long. See ya!